Hi, folks. Uh, Today I want to show you a project. Basically, it is a small UPS. Um, Actually, I've started taking classes for my keyboard, and but sometimes the utility voltages were fluctuating these days, though it is not normal practice, but no, sometimes the utility mains voltage are fluctuating, and I'm taking online classes for my keyboard from a reputed music organization. In order to cater the voltage fluctuations, I had to tackle two problems. One was the Wi-Fi device. When there was blackout, or when there was no voltage, means voltage, then the Wi-Fi device has stopped malfunctioning, has stopped functioning, and similarly the my hi-fi speaker, audio speaker, that also stopped functioning when the mains voltage are not there. So in order to cater these two problems, I made a smart DC UPS, two smart DC UPS, and here are these two UPS. So this DC UPS I made for my hi-fi audio amplifier speaker. As you can see, uh, here is the input, and on this connector, I simply plug in the uh, adapter that normally goes to the my hi-fi speaker. So if I show you, suppose this is the adapter of my hi-fi speaker, and I simply connect it to on this uh, socket, and normally the from this jack I connect it to the my hi-fi speaker. So from the adapter, normally the power is coming, and it's going through this socket to this internal circuitry, and from there it routes to this output. And instead of connecting this directly to the my hi-fi speaker, I connect this jack to the my hi-fi speaker. So this is the normal working routine. But when the voltage fluctuates, or when there is no voltage, means voltage, so there is no power coming from this jack, and at that moment the power is shifted to this 9-volt battery, and it start giving 5-volt output, which is required for my half a speaker. But there is a switch as well, and the function of this switch is that suppose um, in normal conditions, when there is a power, the this adapter is working and the voltage is coming from this jack to the board. But when the power is off, then this 9-volt battery takes over, and the power continue to this jack. And if I turn off this switch, what it does, that is simply disconnect the power from this battery, so that in case I don't want to use the backup power, then I can uh, intentionally switch it off. So the battery will not waste when it is not needed. And but when the switch is on, then in the backup condition, the battery will continue to supply the power. And here is a regulator, 5-volt regulator. So in any case, this adapter is 12-volt adapter, And in any case, whether it is coming from my adapter 12 volt adapter, or the power is coming from 9 volt battery, it is regulated by 5 volt, and the 5 volt output is going to this jack, and the my hi-fi audio amplifier works on 5 volt power supply. So this is good enough. The other DC UPS is almost similar, almost it is the same. And here you also see that there is the output cable, and here is a connector, and um, this DC UPS I made for the Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi works on 12 volt voltage level instead of 5 volt voltage level. So when the adapter is working, I mean, suppose this is the adapter. When it is working, then in normal condition it is connected to this jack, and the 12 volt goes through this circuitry, and it comes out to this jack. So instead of connecting this jack connect directly to the Wi-Fi, I simply take the output from this jack and connect this jack to the my Wi-Fi device. So this is the normal route of DC supply voltage when the main is coming, and when the main is not coming, then I have to give power 12 volt power from DC battery power from this jack. So just as you saw here was a 9 volt battery, but here I don't need 9 volt battery because it will not work. So I need 12 volt lead acid battery or a lithium ion based 12 volt battery. So I connect output of that battery to this jack, and when the mains is off, I mean when mains is not working, then the battery becomes functional, and the power continues to go through this jack. So there is no time delay in the power delivery, and the both devices, I mean audio amplifier, the hi-fi audio amplifier, as well as my Wi-Fi device continue working just as normal. So the this was sufficient so that I can take classes online, and I don't have to worry no that if there is a blackout, or when there is no mains voltage coming, then I have to wait for the mains power to come. Instead, the DC power will take control, and the my devices will continue working as normal. So guys, this was a short video about the working of the DC UPS that I made to work with my keyboard. I mean, one UPS for my Wi-Fi device, whereas other UPS is for my hi-fi audio speakers. So guys, this was today's short video. I hope you enjoyed today's video very well. So stay connected, and thank you very much.